So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch 10. Brand new, as you can see. So let's get into it. Whoa. We got the band, and we got the watch itself. Okay, let's start. Wow. See, guys, it's beautiful. Let's just remove it. See, guys, the brand new Apple Watch. Series 10. Let's boot it up. Whoa. You can see the digital crown, the back sensors. Okay, let's put this down here. We're gonna start from the band. Okay, guys, let's unbox the band. Then I'll open it. Here we got this paper. Got the band. So now let's just release this. And that. Here we got it. Apple Watch band. So now let's put it on. So then you just slide it across. And leave the bottom. We got it. Apple Watch 10.